Hello everybody, happy Mask Monday. Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today I am going to do the Tony Moly I'm Lemon sheet mask. I got this for my birthday from ARLEEN with Unboxing with ARLEEN, and today we're going to talk about ARLEEN some more in just a little bit. But first we're going to put this on. These are some of her favorite sheet masks, and she sent me several to try out, which is very sweet. Thank you very much, ARLEEN. I've been enjoying them. And this mask is going to brighten my skin, it says. So we're going to get this on and get started with our Mask Monday. How is everybody doing today? I got my mirror. Oh, I can smell the lemon. So not only does it say lemon, I can actually smell it. That's nice. I don't want this super close to my eyes. I'm not sure if it quite fits my face right. And I know, oh boy, I can tell the lemon essence coming from that around my eyes. Guys, when y'all get things from anybody, you know, you might want to test it if you're not sure if your skin will be sensitive to it. And that goes for anything you buy yourself that's new, or if, you know, you get something we send out to you all. Let's see here. Okay, that feels good. Now, I do have my mask cover here to help hold it down. So let's get that put on. The only thing I'm not sure that's going to hold in place is right above my lip. That's always hard. I'm going to tear that a little bit. I don't like it that close to my eyes. So I am going to tear that a little bit right there, get it away from my eyes. And I'll probably have to tear this off. Okay, that was pretty simple to do. I'm going to put a little essence on there because it does have the essence in there. And like I said, I can smell the lemon, so it is coming through. And now we can get on with the Mask Monday. So anyways, how are you all doing? We are doing pretty good here in the neighborhood. I can tell you I'm pretty tired these days, so I'm almost getting on the point of exhaustion when I have a lot of puppies that I'm taking care of. And oh, they wear me out. If I look tired or worn out more than normal in the next couple of weeks, then you'll know why. It is just, it's busy and it's busy not because they do more, it's just that they are more busy. As they get closer to 6, 8, 9 weeks old, they're busy, and I let them out and I let them play, and I have to be there. I can't just, you know, let them out and then not be around. I have to watch them and make sure everybody's okay and pick up any messes that they might make. So yeah, it's quite the ordeal when dealing with puppies at this age. So it's like getting interrupted every 2 hours for like a potty break and play break, maybe 2 to 3. And it goes on all day. It starts at 6 o'clock in the morning and it goes all the way to 7 or 8 at night. It just depends. So sometimes I may even be popping in on a live and then have to pop out, or I'll tell y'all I'm here, I'm listening, but I'm working with the dogs, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So that's just a little bit of explanation on that. I don't know if you even care to know that. I do want to say I won, so can you. And guys, I've been winning a lot here lately, and I have a couple more that are coming. And I don't understand the algorithms with YouTube, but I do want you to know a couple of things. On these winnings that I've been winning, not all of them are through the YouTube comment picker. Some of them, they actually drew my name out of their bucket. So it's a combination of them drawing me in their own way by putting names in a bucket or a hat or something, and then the other way is through the YouTube comment picker. Now, there's something else that I want to mention while we're on this subject. I've heard that people say you win more if you comment more frequent, or if you comment last, or if you do this or you do that. I just want to say that I don't comment more. I comment one time on each video. If I do comment a second time, it's because I forgot to say something that I wanted to say, but it's not purposely done, and it hardly ever happens. I usually do one comment on any of my replies back to any channel. And the other thing is, I've heard that, people say if they do multiple, it ups their chances, but in my case, I didn't do that, so that didn't have anything to do with it that I know of. So that's, one thing I just want to keep in mind there, that if you have heard that, I don't think it's true. I think it's just the luck of the draw. I really do. I don't do anything special. I don't try to tag on at the end of a video. Most of the time, I catch them at the very beginning of their giveaways and put my comment in. So, who knows? I could have been number 1 or number 2 commenting. I'm hardly ever the last one. So the theory of being the last one helps you may not be true either. But I wanted to mention that. And then I wanted to say I won, so can you. And this is from the lovely Arlene, and she's got it made out to my name. And then she's got our little sticker that says thank you. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. And then she's got unboxing with Arlene. So I guess you can see that on there. That's really cute, isn't it? And then she's got her own card, unboxing with Arlene. Isn't that very nice? Very suave and sophisticated. And that's how Arlene is. And guys, what I won was, well, I'll just read this card to you. Miss Jackie, Vicky in parentheses, thank you so much for your friendship and continued support of my channel. Enjoy your Amazon gift. And thanks again, Arlene. And then she's got a little sticker in here. Don't worry, be happy. Isn't that cute? And that's my little card from her. And guys, I won a $20 Amazon card from her. No, excuse me, it's a $25 Amazon card. Wow. So that's what it says there on the back. See there? She even sent a copy of that. And so thank you, Arlene. That's just wonderful. So now, down to what you can win. I won, so can you. And Arlene, thank you so much for this nice little gift card. It was very generous. And you are such a wonderful lady. Guys, if you haven't gone over to Arlene and checked her out, you please, you need to do so. She has a great channel. I think she's getting close to 500. She may have already crossed it. She's working toward getting her community channel. So, you have to have 500 in order to have the community on your channel. So y'all go over. If you haven't subscribed to Arlene, please consider subscribing. Of course, now one of the rules with this giveaway is you will have to be subscribed to both Arlene and Miss Jackie Russell in order to win this giveaway. You must be 18 years or older. You must have an address within the continental USA. You must, of course, publicly subscribe to both of us. YouTube or any of the products and brands shown here have nothing to do with this giveaway and are not affiliated in any way. And what am I giving away in this giveaway? I am going to give away a few beauty items. And what we're going to have is a couple of masks. So we're going to have the anti-pollution cleansing mask, and we're going to have the exfoliating face mask. These are Korean masks. This is the Karuna. It's very good. And we're going to have some Beauty Creation lip balm. This is actually lip gloss. And there's two different ones. One's kind of a pink, and one is kind of a, well, I'm going to leave it in the package. It's really hard to get out of there. But the lip glosses, one's kind of a pink and one's kind of a taupey color, so a brown color. And then inside here, we're going to have some more little goodies. We're going to have a green eyeliner. We're going to have a lip liner. And we're going to have an extended wear Lash Flex thickening mascara. And we're going to have the Bella Pierre Twist Up Pencil. So these items will be in this giveaway, and all you need to do is use the word Arlene down in the sentence down below, and you will be eligible for this giveaway, and I'll get this package out to you right away. So I just really appreciate all of you, and I know Arlene does too, and we love doing these giveaways. So I won, so can you, and I just want to give back. I won from Arlene, and I want to give back to you. So that is my giveaway. If you are interested, again, just use the code word down below. And I think, this might be all that I have for Mask Monday. And I need to probably take this mask off. It's really been feeling really good. It has been on for a good 15 minutes. And I know we haven't been talking necessarily that long, but I have had this on that long, and it is time to take it off and see if my skin's brightened up any. So we're going to get this mask off. We're going to peel it off. Ooh, that feels so good. Arlene, this was really nice. Thank you. And I know Tony Moly is one of her favorite. I'm going to bring this all the way down. One of her favorite masks. And I've been enjoying it. And she's actually the one that introduced it to me. I mean, I've heard it from her and many of the other channels that they like the Tony Moly. It has great essence and brightens your skin and just really nice. And they may be a type of Korean mask themselves. I mean, I see a lot of writing on here that I can't understand. I'm not sure on that end of it, but I can tell you it's very nice. And I'm going to let that all just soak into my skin. And I've even put it on my arms like I always do. So that's nothing new. So hey guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you have a wonderful Monday and kicking it off for a great week. And like I told you earlier, I maybe weren't running on a little exhaustion here from just taking care of all my little puppies and then with everything else that we do around here. So say a little prayer for me, have a little strength, because I could definitely use it. And I appreciate each and every one of you. So as for today, that's all I have. Oh, and before I go, I almost forgot. This will run for 1 week. So this is coming out on Monday the 22nd, and it will end on Monday the 29th, and the winner will be announced on the 30th. And here lately I have been doing it both by video and in my community tab, because eventually I may switch over to community, but I want you not to worry. Those of you, I know some of you just have iPads or certain products that you don't see the community page, and so you don't know if you've won or not. So if I do go to community only, I will be messaging on your particular comment in that video so that you know that you've won. So I will do both whenever I switch over to that. Right now I am still going to be doing the winning video and posting on the community page. I'm just trying to get a crossover on that. That's why you're seeing it in both places. So guys, that's all I have today. I wish you all the best of luck, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.